Good morning, ma'am. This is the continuation, the report of the group 3. This is my part, the importance, warehousing or the storage. Warehousing is the process of storing inventory that is packaged and sold or distributed to the customer. So, ang warehousing ito ay proseso ng pag-iimbak ng mga produkto o kalakal sa isang struktura o warehouse. Next is storage. Is an important marketing function which involves holding and preserving goods from the time they are produced until they are needed for consumption. The storage of goods, therefore, from the time of production to the time of consumption, ensure a continuous flow of goods in the market. So, ang storage naman ito ay mas pangkalahatang konsepto na tumutukoy sa pag-iimbak ng anumang bagay o kalakal, hindi lang sa isang warehouse. Next is the warehouse operation. Are the daily activities that prepare inventory for shipping, inventory tracking, and order fulfillment. Ang warehouse operation ay may aktibidad at proseso ay may kinalaman sa pagtakbo ng isang bodega na tulad ng pagtanggap ng mga produkto, pag-iimbak, pag-order, at pagpadala ng mga kalakal. Thank you.